What's up guys, today we're showing the AMG some love. We're going to give it the beautiful sound that it should deserve from the factory. So I hope you guys like, subscribe and enjoy. Okay, so what you gonna do, bro?
We're gonna cut open the damper.
What things here? Alright, top.
Ready of aan?
Ja.
Ai, waarom? Zet hem op.
Help you.
Nee, dat gaat niet zo soepel. Nee, dat is zit.
Als je het precies niet ziet. Er zit niks tussen, maat.
Dan deze hier. Hey, dat is hard van de bamma, bro. Hey G, kom.
Oh shit.
Ah, shit.
What is this?
Ah, de big review.
Oeh.
Godverdomme. Tadaa. Some good shit.
We're gonna weld all these holes, then we're going to replace this pipe with a new one, and we're going to also weld this pipe shut.
Ja, klopt.
Let me fix here.
Gonna fix it. The big shit, big man things.
First you gotta fix this crooked blade. First.
Okay. Wat een schating. Holy shit.
Now we're closing all of the holes, so no exhaust can go up. And then we're gonna put a straight pipe from here to here. And then we're gonna close this too. Okay boys, the game plan is we got these clamps. We're going to put the clamps around this exhaust. Just like that, and then we're going to make this inside.
Perfect.
Fuck! Show the fabrication, bro. Iton blok.
Oké, zul je zeker dat dat steen is?
Ja.
Aanzwagen. There, we need to unbolt the catalytic converter.
This attempt failed because we couldn't get fully under the car. Okay, so what's up guys? I'm now under my car. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm going to do. I'm going to unbolt all these bolts so I can kind of fix these exhaust pipes, these fake exhaust pipes out of the way, and then I'm going to unbolt these two. So this one and this one. Already unbolted this one, so it's two bolts, and then wiggle this mushy thing out, this bushing. The downpipe, the catalytic converter from the downpipe already loosened. My hope is now that I can get this bolt, but I'm firstly going to remove the sensors and everything so they don't break off. So what I've done so far is unbolted this whole plastic piece. So now I need to unbolt these, push them back and unbolt these, but I'm going to also disassemble this exhaust valve. So I've unbolted the exhaust valve, but it made a lot of rattling noise, so we needed to change that. So this is what my buddy did at the McDonald's.
Bro, we are fixing the exhaust at the McDonald's, bro.
Okay, so now the moment you've all been waiting for.
What the fuck?
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.